Hello everyone, I'm Wes Sego, and this is AOC Term 1305 Week 4 Project Review. And for this project, we made the little single view application that has three different buttons. One is a login button, one is a button to pop out an alert box with the date and time, and one is an information button to display a little text that we added in there. And we ran all of that through a single function, and by tagging the buttons, we were able to use those tags to identify which button was calling the function. So that was pretty cool, a little bit different, and wasn't very difficult. It was a pretty cool little exercise, though. Was there anything that I needed more clarification on? Not really. There was the one part where, once it was done, if you just followed the steps, you would run into a situation where whenever you typed into the text box or the text field, you couldn't hide the keyboard. The keyboard would stay up, so I had to go and do a little quick research on that, and I did find a page. I don't really remember if it was Mobile Tuts or if it was Stack Overflow, but I sifted through a little bit, and I did find a really good article. It was a couple pages long on Resign First Responder. So that's how I did it on mine. I'm sure everybody ran into that issue, but it was pretty nice. So the last thing, what could you have done better? Well, I did submit mine for a code review, and Alexia gave me a few little enhancements that she wanted me to work on, and unfortunately I just didn't get back to them. I had Tuesday off, and I did all of my work on Tuesday, and then Wednesday I worked 14-hour day, which is typical for Wednesday for me. And then Thursday, my daughter graduated from high school, so went to her graduation, and we wound up turning that into an entire day. And so last night I got home about 8:30, 9 o'clock, and just really didn't have it in me to go any further. But I did do a little, more on the lynda.com videos for Objective-C, so doing pretty well with reading the books. I've got a couple of extra books on the side with Objective-C, so I plan to really hit that hard next month. And let me go ahead and show you my app. I'm gonna do that with Air Server. Turn it on. Let's see. So I'm sure mine's about the same as everyone else's. When you click in the box, it gives you the ability to type. After you hit login, the please enter username text field. That changes to a user, whatever name you type has been logged in. Show date gives you the alert. And let's see, and the last one was the information button, and pops up that little text field. And I also found that if you use the end switch, it'll create a new line, which I just kind of guessed at that. I remembered reading it, but I wasn't sure if that was just JavaScript or I was pretty sure I read that in Objective-C, so I just tried it and that worked out. But anyway, I hope everyone had a great week and really enjoyed the class, and look forward to seeing everyone next month and the next class down the road. So thanks.